ऑलराइट, वेलकम टू डे 29 ऑफ द चैलेंज। आज जो मेरे को यूआई मिला वो कार रेंटल ऐप का यूआई है। काफ़ी ज़्यादा सिंपल लेकिन प्रीमियम डिज़ाइन के साथ। So the look is very good. As you can see, the UI looks sleek. And now let's just see the output. So this is the output. As you can see, यहाँ पे दो टैब्स हैं, प्रीमियम कार्स के एंड एक्सक्लूसिव कार्स के। नाउ क्योंकि टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट था तो इसलिए मैंने दोनों ही टैब्स में सेम लिस्ट को implement करा है, लेकिन with time it can be extended. Now, clicking on any car will open the respective details screen. From here you can book a car and also see the details of the car. So this is how the UI turned out to be. You can scroll down the list view. There is also smooth scrolling enabled and a little bit of transition animations, which I think suits the theme of this app. So yeah, this is the simple UI. I hope you like it. Here's the side-by-side comparison of both the windows. And yes, tomorrow is the last day of this challenge. So see you with something new and bye-bye.